Let's see how to create scratch lines text in Canva. So for this example, let's choose open up a design and poster. Next, all we need to do is go here to the left-hand side, click on the text tab, add a heading, and type out any text we want. So for this example, I want scratch text. I want this to be under. So just drag this here in the middle. That's just like that. Then in order to add the scratch text effect, all we need to do is change the font, search for monotone, and click that design. Now we have obtained the scratch text effect. That's it. That's how you create scratch text effect in Canva. See you soon.